is about to begin. We're greeted with, what time is it? It's only day 2.
Can we go home now?
No. Cannot.
Bye, bird's nest hut.
Much more pleasant leaving.
Day 2.
It's only hot.
Whoa! Gotcha. Ow! Got me too.
Thorny bushes flying in the face. Cobwebs. Cobwebs.
Ow, ow, ow!
Can you imagine how bad they'd be in shorts right now?
Oh god. Getting my arms too.
I think once upon a time it would have been yellow.
2 kilograms. I mean kilometer. 2 kilometers down. All right, ready for this bit?
No, Bob. You go first and help that out.
It's bad.
He's gonna help Dean fix his water.
That was only 500 meters.
Get it out. Help Dean fix his water. There you go, it's popped off. Yeah. So it just wasn't clicked in.
Here he comes.
This is nice.
What is that? What does it say?
It's not a tree.
We still got 11.5.
Like that, really. 4K there, 4K back. Alright, you cope with that one. Good. How's your battery then?
Battery's good. How are you just flying? I can't do that. Oh, he tripped. Slipped. This is like 45 degrees. What do you think?
$50 meters.
50.
50 meters out of our way. Extra 100 meters. 50 there, 50. You'll be pretty good up there, Bob.
Woo!
Woo.
Don't die.
Walking backwards, holding the GoPro.
Alright, we're gonna crush this shit! Can we go home now? It's gonna be downhill all afternoon, right? 7 kilometers of downhill.
There's no more up to go, so. Stay on the ridge line, is that what they said?
Yep,
This the ridge line?
yep,
Stay on this one?
yep.
Ridge is good, buddy. That looks like a massive grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
In a tree, like in one of the bushes.
Oh. Ah! Nearly died.
Don't die through here.
Try not to.
I don't know how I'm going to get through this. I'm going to need 2 goes. I'm old. Not agile. I put a lot of faith on this branch not snapping on me. If that branch snapped on me then, I would have died.
Watch the backpack, watch the backpack.
How full is the back?
Oh.
We're going to get onto this one too. Are we on the ridge? Is this the go?
Yep, this is to go.
Am I past?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Just wash the backpack.
Do I still have my hat?
Yep.
I think that's my only hanging off. You're gonna make that green duck go up?
You can do it, hun. Use the big rocks. This is like 60 degrees. What do you think's gonna happen to our toenails, Doc?
They're gonna be black and blue, baby.
Legs so heavy.
Lovely little slinky. Beautiful.
You've tangled it.
I didn't do that.
How are we gonna get there, hun?
Broken. That's my wife. She is 2 meters, 2 kilometers, 2,000 meters from the destination. Yeah, bum.
That's me. What in the world is this?
Go off the track and make your homes up.
I know, it's easier on the grass bits.
My crash. It's gonna be old man. There's Gandalf. He's fatigued. The fatigue is set in. The Gandalf stick is down.
We're almost on flat ground.
Home straight, buddy. Cold beers, swimming pool, massages,
In your dreams.
in the new house. You ready for this?
This is crappy.
Good work, Yoga.
Not done yet. Look at the steepness of it. You really can't see it very well.
That's why I
hey?
wanted to film it for you. And the GoPro won't do it justice.
No. This is like a 70-degree slope.
It's insane.
More even. It needs 3 ropes.
Look at the sexy dance.
You know what's good?
Cold beer.
A little shrubs.
Did you enjoy that, Dean?
Not a lot.
That was a long way down. Flat ground, flat cushy ground. Finally near water. Please don't fall into the water.
I want to like splash my face with it. Yeah, it's so good. Don't drink it though. Splash
I'm
your
not
face
drinking
with
it.
Do it, Dean.
Oh,
You know you want it. I'm doing it.
oh my god. Oh, that breeze on my wet face.
You're gonna commit.
Yep, just commit.
You're gonna commit to water, please.
No, I'm just committing. It's hot enough. It'll dry. I'm just going.
Yeah, I'm gonna really do it.
Are they too small? Wow, that is ridiculously hot. That's the beginning of the creek walk tomorrow. Ooh, the shower! Oh, you can just have a cold shower now. There's hot water, but it's so hot.
I better not be in the video.
You're not in it. I'm
You're
just getting my shoes.
It's going to take you like 4 hours to edit this video.
How
You're going
wet
to have
it
to blur
is.
me out of it.
We're not doing any of that.
You have
You're in it, buddy.
to-
You're in it to win it.
There's no bugs out at the moment, is there?
Yeah,
There is? Yeah?
a lot.
No?
A lot. I can see your head, hon. Today was day 2 of the Green Gully track. We walked from Bird's Nest Hut to Green Gully Hut. And it was 15 kilometers, so not that long distance wise, but it took us how long?
7.5 hours or something.
7.5 hours, so we left at 8. We got here at 6.5 hours. Whew, that was a lot of steep downhill, but we knew that. And it honestly wasn't as bad as we thought it would be, but it was difficult regardless. Yeah, it was like loose dirt, so we tripped over a couple of times. Thankfully no one hurt themselves, and it was stinking hot when we got here. Lucky we had a cold shower. Yeah, just waiting for dinner time.
Dinner time.
Dean was very nice. He gave me all the muesli bars. We didn't pack enough food, and my sugar keeps plummeting, so
She gets all the lollies. She's gonna eat marshmallows for the first time on the last day.
I'll survive on marshmallows on the last day.
Maybe you'll like them. You can buy marshmallows for that.
No. Oh, there it is, there it is. See? See?
What just made
It's
the
under
noise?
the door. Under the door. I find it to appear.
Just a pea, huh?
Okay, so you're fine. Look.
That's not a mouse. That's something bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger. Point it.
Sorry, dude. You fucking got stuck in our headlights because it's
Possums.
nocturnal.
Look at the moon, hun.
Yeah.